hold you every night. All the love in my heart I only share with you. I will never let you belong to someone else. Start since today, you will always be mine. My heart and soul are always thinking of you. Please don't run away from me to start anew. In my heart, I never want to let you go. My heart, it feels so happy with you. I will never let your tears fall. I will love and hold you forever. I will love you for the rest of my life. Start since today, you will always be mine. My heart and soul are always thinking of you. Please don't run away from me to start anew. In my heart, I never want to let you go. My heart, it feels so happy with you. I will never let your tears fall. I will love and hold you forever. I will love you for the rest of my